Welcome back to Garage Vibes. Today we have cool vibes for you guys. We have the Fast and Furious from Jada Toys. It's a 1/12 scale and we can't wait to take it out of the box and show you. So let's do this. And if you're new to the channel, we ask you to please subscribe so you can get really more great vibes like these vibes. Trust me, Garage Vibes always bringing fresh vibes, so you don't want to miss a beat. So please subscribe, share it with your friend, give a thumbs up. You don't know. We thank you. Beautiful silver color. Beautiful. Let's pull him out and see how it goes. He's going to pop something on here. We got your power cord. That's your power cord right here. That's your manual. You got some more plastic clips to hold the hood. What I like about this car is you don't have to remove the battery to charge it. Just pop this in there, put it on the power, and you charge it. Okay, so let's pop this up here. Okay, there we are. Pop this out. Controller. The controller is cool. See, nice flick back. It's a F8, and also it's running fast. Let's go inside it and see. Controller, the battery is in there, so it's ready to run. And let's plug it on one time. Let's go in the bottom here and turn this on. There we go. We're ready to run. Let's give it some power and see what's going on. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. Nice. Beautiful. Ready to run. Very, very responsive. So we got the lights at the bottom. The blue lights, two on each side of the running board here. And the motor is in the back here. So it's really cool. And on this car, I got the 4 lights working. That is nice. Basically, it's one bulb, but they give you 4 little cutouts so you can see. And up front, we got the headlamp, 4 headlamps. And I'm gonna pop the hood so you can see what's going on. How is that? So basically we have the back going up and down like this. In the front, the body just kind of goes. Something like you could, take a little beating. Got a nice little weight. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So, yeah, I like it. The plastic feel. Very durable. That he have a nice spring back. I like that. The tires a little bit soft, so they can climb rocks and stuff. That is good. The body is very, very flexible. The body looks like it could take a beating, So far, everything looks cool. Very flexible body. Got the shape of the 2 headlamps here. 4 headlamps. Nice little grill in front of it. Got some little design cut out. And just the little graphic is really nice. I like that. So, alright, let's pop it back on and take it for a run. Let's put it down on the floor and see how it goes.